Good morning everyone. So our sound for the week is all, and we can represent our sound by using one L or two L's together. And our chant for this week is lizards like lollipops, all. And we pretend that we're holding a lollipop and we say it all together. Lizards like lollipops, all. Awesome. Okay, I'm going to read through all of our words. I'll say it and I'll leave a little gap so that you guys can say it after, and then we're going to have a go at segmenting some of these words as an example. So I have my first word, so fell, well, will, ball, help, milk, belt, cold, glad, flat, blend, cliff, leaf, look, live, quilt, self, felt, milk, help, shell, fold, yellow, all, also, always, till, until, only, I'll, heal, she'll, will, it'll, you'll, and they'll. Now these ones here that have our little apostrophe in there are called contractions. So that's where we have two words and we mush them together and we take a couple of letters out and it creates one shorter word instead of using two. I'm pretty sure that's one of the activities for the grade 2s this week. Now let's have a look at doing some of our segmenting, because I think some people are still getting a little bit confused. Let's use the word till. So I'm going to write this down here. Okay. What I like to do is I close my eyes and I sound out my word and I use my fingers to count how many sounds I have. So instead of looking at my letters, I just close my eyes. So I've got till. So I've got t, I, all. I have 3 sounds. So what I'm going to do next to my word is actually write a little number 3. And you might like to draw some little dots underneath, just to remind you, you're only allowed to use 3 spots. Okay, so my first sound I heard was the T sound. Okay, so that is represented by a T. So I've got T. My next sound is an I. So I know that that is the I in this word. And then my last sound is all. Now there's no point in writing the 2 L's separately because we know that that makes one sound. So my 2 L's go together. Okay. What about we do felt? Okay, so I'm going to write my word down. Felt. Again, I'm going to close my eyes. F-E-L-T. Okay, 4 sounds this time. So I write my little number 4 just to remind me, and I do 4 dots. Okay, you don't have to draw the dots, but I just find it reminds me that that's how many different sounds that I have, so I don't get confused and I only write 3 or I try to write 5. So my first sound is F, and that's represented by our F. My second sound is E, which is my E. My next sound is our sound of the week, which is all. So I've got my L. And my last sound is T, which is represented by a T. Okay? So your job today for sound waves is to have a go at segmenting the list words. Happy for you to just do 10 of the list words. And you also need to have a little brainstorm of more words that have the all sound in them. Okay? Doesn't have to start with all. Your all can be somewhere in the middle of your word, or it can be a word that has all at the end. Okay? Happy brainstorming.